Hey y'all, and welcome back to another day. We don't really have a whole lot going on today, but that's okay. I'm gonna bring you along anyway, just let you see kind of what a typical day looks like.
I got video when we run.
Yeah, we're going running. I slacked off last week. Made every excuse. It was too wet and rainy. I didn't feel good. Just make excuses. But we're getting back on it today, aren't we?
Kids on the playground, they're not supposed to be on the playground because there's still tape out there.
Yeah, looks like they tore the tape down, broke the rules, and decided just to play anyway. That's not very good, is it?
We didn't make my hair.
What?
We didn't make my hair.
We fixed your hair. It's time for another haircut.
Haircut! Again, last week, what did she say?
It's time for another haircut. These kiddos, tell you what, these mohawks are kind of like high maintenance haircuts, but they're cute, so. Hey, honey buddy. Gonna run? Yeah, you need to stretch. Can you stretch your legs?
The further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer. The light that we see closing in so fast ahead, it's hope, it's getting clearer. The more I think of all...
What'd you find?
A red leaf. It's pretty.
It's very pretty.
There's a bunch up there.
Show it to me.
At first it looked like birds.
The tough times we survived, the more it makes me smile. If nothing's broken us, yeah, nothing never will. 'Cause dreams are hard to kill. And I know
somebody's wanting to come play in the sprinkler. You wanting to come play in the sprinkler with the kids? Don't think that's made for you, sir.
just hold on tight, it'll be alright. Show me the way. Show me.
The garden is just growing so much, and sometimes it's hard to realize how much it's growing until you look back. I will try to insert a picture here that shows what this garden looked like just a couple of weeks ago, like literally 3 weeks ago, and now it's just coming along so beautifully, and it makes my heart so happy. They didn't pick us a good watermelon. Maybe it'll taste good. Smells good.
I can do it 5 times in a row. I can't hit that. If you want me to. No. What? 5 times in a row. Boys. Oh. They want to fall? No. 2, 10.
It's the next day. I am headed downstairs to our extra refrigerator to get me a Dr. Pepper because I don't drink coffee. So that's my morning caffeine. We ended up going out to eat last night. We went to a Mexican restaurant, and I didn't film any of that. And then when we got home, y'all, Huddy, boys will be boys, right? I mean, I don't know how else to. He fell and scraped up his arm and his leg. Bless his little soul. I think it's one of those that was like looked worse than it really was, because it was like a cement type scrape, you know. But we had to go to the store and try to get some bigger band-aids, get some gauze, get some tape, fix him up. And bless his heart, he scratched himself up pretty good. Today we've got to do some work around the house. Justin is going to cut part of our mulberry tree. Broke off and fell in a storm a couple nights ago, so he's going to take care of that. But we've got to go get a new chainsaw, so there's that. And I don't know, I need to go get some pinto beans started to go with our supper, so let's go do that right now.
So he gets these.
So if they match, you get the pile.
Yep. Now Ethan's turn to get.
That.
Nope. Put it up there. Your turn.
Spirit, God is good. Let us thank Him for our food. By His hands we are fed. Thank you, God, for day. The heat is ready.
Now dig in.
Is this what the seasons probably looks like? They're big.
Oh, I do need some hot sauce.
From the mulberries. Whoa, look at that one. So we just finished helping Justin with that tree branch that fell over. He cut it up. We drug it to the back over kind of like by the fire pit. There's still some work that has to be done on it, but y'all, it's hot. it's hot as blue blazes out here. So we decided we needed some homemade ice cream. So we're about to head in the store, get the stuff we need for that, and then when we get home, it'll be about time to start thinking about supper and ice cream. Ain't heard that sound in a while.
What?
The ice cream maker.
No, we don't use it enough.
Set. Hey.
S O S.
Did I work you too hard today?
I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Help me. I'm trapped in this video. I don't know either. It ain't
Put you to
over.
work.
It ain't over yet. Huh? Well, you didn't put me to work.
No, the tree did.
Stuff needs to be done.
Thank you for doing it.
Meh. Meh. You got a babbling brook in the bathroom. You got a leak. He's got corona. Or COPD. I don't know which one. What the world? Quit smoking, Audrey. Quit smoking. What is wrong with you? Feel like one of them cows sick over there.
Is that what I guess?
That's what a sick cow sounds like,
sick
for
cow
those of you who don't know. If you hear a cow doing that,
And apparently that's what Audrey sounds like.
well, you heard her right there. Putting up with this crew.
We're a good bunch.
Just because the lady at Lowe's said it doesn't mean it's
She
true.
did. She did. The lady at Lowe's today, so we had a good bunch.
She had a mask on. You couldn't even tell what she was saying. You're talking like that behind the mask.
Our kids were behaved until they got out the door, right?
Probably said, "Get that crew out of here."
No, they were behaved until we got in the car and then Hudson started.
Well,
Bless them.
if somebody ain't screaming, we ain't living. That's our motto around here.
Sit together. Oh, you get in here. Get in here. You're right here.
Oh, I thought you were gonna do it too, Audrey. Bye, y'all.